Hi everyone, welcome to VidZ. Today's world is changing fast, and the only way to stay ahead is to keep learning the right skills. If you want to understand technology in a simple way, learn real digital skills, and build a better future, you're in the right place. On VidZ, we don't just teach, we simplify, like AI tools, computer skills, programming basics, freelancing, and digital careers. But that's not all. On VidZ, you'll also discover awareness content on topics like health, skincare, fitness, self-defense, creativity, and many more real-life skills that help you grow in every aspect of life. No confusion, no boring theory, just clear, practical, and useful content. Whether you are a student, a job seeker, or someone who wants to grow in life, VidZ is here to help you move forward. So don't wait, subscribe now and start upgrading yourself. VidZ. Learn, build, grow.